Let's talk about handcrafted natural slate and solid oak 2-tier, 20-jar spice rack modern contemporary style. Solid oak and natural slate high quality materials. Other sizes available, 2 or 3 tiers tall and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13 jars wide. Handmade in UK delivered fully assembled. This spice rack is freestanding. Designed, made and shipped by Oak Slate design size, width 48 cm, height 25.5 cm, depth 8 cm. Wide shelves 6 cm between bars allow large spice jars. Boxes ideal for 70 ml Kilner jars. I've been looking for the ideal spice rack for a while and now I've found it. The workmanship is really good, it looks great in my kitchen and holds 20 jars perfectly. It was very well packaged and came with the cleaning and preserving instructions. It also arrived 4 days before the due date. No more rummaging around in the kitchen cupboards for the correct jar. Very happy with product. Many thanks for a great service too. This rack lives up to its product description and previous good reviews. It is a nice size, well made and sturdy, and holds a variety of small jars, bottles and packets whilst looking very nice on my kitchen worktop. I am very pleased with my purchase. It was extremely well wrapped in protective material and no damage. Defo not the fastest delivery I have ever had it, but only came 1 day later than the quoted delivery slot, so not complaining. I can only echo all the very positive comments of the other reviews. Delivered well ahead of estimated time, packaged way better than anything that I have received previously, and the rack itself is beautifully designed and built. All in all, it is amazing value for money, and the personal note enclosed is a nice touch. It looks absolutely right in our new oak granite kitchen.